Howdy guys, Jimmy Song here. In this video, I'm going to talk about getting through this bear market with conviction. Oftentimes, a lot of people get to a bear market, they say during the bull market, I'm going to hold through whatever the ups and downs, and then they get to it and they sort of just lose their nerve. And this happens quite a bit. Now, losing your nerve can be kind of devastating for your portfolio because if you hold through that, you might make a lot of money. At the same time, if your initial conviction was actually flawed, then you'll lose even more money by holding on to it. I expect there to be a lot of people on both of those because if you're holding on to Bitcoin, it's a proven product. It's been around for 10 years and it's definitely got a use case as a store of value. That will be okay. A lot of people that are convicted on a lot of these crap coins that aren't doing anything, haven't delivered anything, won't deliver anything, they're like keeping your conviction there. You're going to lose even more money. But that said, here's the key to keeping your conviction one way or the other. The big thing is to remember why you invested in the first place. A lot of people invested because they were gambling, in which case you should get out. Right, like now's not the time to continue gambling. Although maybe it's like such a small amount that it's like, well, I was prepared to lose all that anyway. Might as well just stick through it. In which case, it might go to zero, it might go back up. Who knows? But remembering why you did it is a key. And if you don't know exactly why you did it, well, then you should find out, right? Like what is your investment thesis? Why did you invest in this asset? What different things attracted you to it? And has that changed at all? Has your investment thesis changed at all? That's a very key thing. Now, for Bitcoin, there hasn't been much that's changed in the past year, right? Like the technology continues to get better. The only thing that's really changed is that the price has changed. I suppose if your investment thesis was based on like an ETF being approved or something like that, then things would have changed a year from now. But most people I know, that's not the reason why they got into Bitcoin. They saw it as a store of value. Possibly they were gambling. I don't know, but a lot of the gambling people are out already. So keeping your conviction requires you to revisit, not only look at the initial investment thesis, but looking at the investment thesis now. Continuing to hold that conviction means that you have to actually learn about what you're investing in. And that might mean like getting kind of technical, right? Like a lot of people don't really understand the technical underpinnings of Bitcoin. And this is where I can help, right? Like if you need to know about a certain feature or what it enables or what that means, I'll try to help you out, right? Like I want you to write in the comments if there's like a particular technical feature that you don't understand or want to know about or whatever. That's where I can help you. To just put it frankly, too many people just sort of lose their nerve because they're doing sort of the calculations in their heads and stuff. That probably means that you're too emotionally invested in the short-term outcome. Long-term, you have to have a long-term thesis to be a good investor. And unless that changes, you really have no reason to be investing in that asset. In which case you can get out. But if the investment thesis hasn't changed, then holding your nerve is just a part of being patient and having guts and having fortitude. So anyway, that is my perspective on the matter. Hope that helps you. This song is done.